The situation in Syria nowadays is becoming like a hell because the income is getting low day after day because of the exchange rate. So some of the people are not getting more than $20 per month. Will cover 1 or 2 days only. Today there is a big problem in nutrition, especially for the children. There is a big shortage in the baby milk. And this nutrition problem is not only for the children because the cost of the food is too high. So the people are getting the cheapest food only to fill their stomach, not to feel hungry. So some of them are only consuming bread with tea, even the tea sometimes without sugar. In addition to that, if you want to go to your work, maybe sometimes you have to wait more than 1 or 2 hours, and sometimes you are obliged to go walking because no transportation is available. The electricity in Syria is available maximum 2 hours per day. And unfortunately, in several districts in the eastern part of Aleppo, no electricity is available. GRS always believe in hope. Unfortunately, a lot of citizens, a lot of people in Syria lost their hope. But we are trying in our accompaniment to rebuild their dream and to explore their dream and to rebuild hope with all the people that we are serving.